In today's video, I'm going to teach you Calendly payment integration, how to set up Calendly Stripe integration, 5 minutes. Let's get you taking payments for bookings inside Calendly using Stripe. Start by opening Calendly's website and logging into your account. Enter your email address, continue, and then enter your password to access your dashboard. If you're part of a team, make sure you're in the correct account before proceeding. Also note that payments are available on certain Calendly plans, so if you don't see the option later, you may need to upgrade. From your Calendly home screen, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly connects with other tools. Find Stripe in the list of payment integrations and select it. Click Connect with Stripe. A secure Stripe window will open. Log into your Stripe account and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. If your Stripe account isn't fully set up or verified, Stripe will guide you through any required details. When you authorize, you're allowing Calendly to collect payments on your behalf for scheduled events. Once Stripe is connected, return to Calendly and head to Event Types. Choose the event you want to charge for. This could be a one-on-one session, a consultation, or any event where you want payment up front. Open that event, then go to More Options and select Payment. Here, choose the option to get paid by Stripe. You'll see fields to enter your price and currency. Type in the amount you want to charge. Keep in mind that Stripe processing fees will apply, and any taxes or VAT you need to collect should be factored into your price or handled via your Stripe settings. Save your changes. From now on, when someone books this event, they'll be prompted to pay during the scheduling flow. If payment fails, the booking won't be completed, which helps prevent no-shows and ensures you're compensated before the meeting happens. A few quick tips to finish strong: test the flow by booking the event yourself to confirm the payment step appears and the confirmation emails look right. If you offer multiple event types, repeat these payment settings for each one you want to charge for. Clearly state your refund or cancellation policy in the event description so invitees know what to expect. And finally, keep an eye on your Stripe dashboard for payouts, receipts, and any disputes. That's it. Your Calendly event now collects payments through Stripe end to end.